Assalamu guys, आज हमारा topic है define the terms hardware and software. Hardware, the physical and tangible components forming a computer are called hardware, which programs and applications. It includes the computer casing, the CPU, computer memory, VGA graphics card, sound card, the motherboard, etc. Software refers to the program that instruct the computer what to do and how to do. Software makes computer useful. Software is a general name given to all the programs, instruction and data necessary to make computer usable. Software refers to the non-physical components of a computer system. Software is divided into two categories, including system software and application software. Microsoft Windows, Visual Basic, Norton Antivirus, and Microsoft Word, etc.